If you're looking for a simple and convenient way to handle laundry without investing in a full-size washing machine, a portable washer can be an excellent solution. Designed for small spaces, apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and travel use, these compact machines offer impressive cleaning performance while saving water, energy, and valuable floor space. However, with so many models available, each offering different capacities, features, and washing technologies, finding the right one can be challenging. Understanding what sets each option apart is the key to choosing a portable washing machine that best fits your lifestyle and laundry needs. Number 5. The Water Spirit 3-in-1 Mini Washing Machine is designed as a compact yet highly functional laundry solution for modern, space-conscious living. It combines washing, spinning, and drying support in a single integrated unit, making it especially useful for small apartments, dorm rooms, travel setups, and secondary washing needs. Despite its compact size, it delivers efficient cleaning performance through a powerful motor that ensures consistent water circulation and thorough fabric movement, helping remove everyday dirt and stains from light to medium loads. Its intelligent design allows users to switch between multiple modes easily, offering flexibility for different fabric types and washing requirements. Built with convenience in mind, the Water Spirit 3-in-1 features a lightweight body that is easy to move and store, making it ideal for environments where permanent laundry installations are not possible. The semi-automatic control system keeps operation simple, allowing users to manage wash cycles without complexity while still maintaining effective results. Number 4. The Lavario Portable Mini Washing Machine is a manually powered, eco-friendly laundry solution designed for users who need efficient cleaning without relying on electricity. Built with a strong yet lightweight structure, it offers a surprisingly powerful wash action through its hand-operated agitation system, which effectively moves clothes through water to lift dirt, stains, and odors. This makes it especially suitable for delicate garments, activewear, baby clothes, and small daily loads where gentle but thorough cleaning is required. Its compact and travel-friendly design allows it to be used in apartments, RVs, camping trips, or any space where a traditional washing machine is impractical. Despite its simplicity, the Lavario system is engineered to reduce water usage while still delivering deep cleaning performance, making it both economical and environmentally conscious. The durable tub and easy drain mechanism add to its convenience, allowing quick setup and hassle-free water disposal after each wash cycle. Number 3. The Daewoo Mini Washing Machine is a compact and efficient laundry solution designed for small households, personal use, and space-limited environments. It delivers reliable washing performance through a powerful yet energy-conscious motor that ensures consistent agitation and thorough cleaning of everyday garments. Despite its small footprint, it is engineered to handle light to medium laundry loads with ease, making it ideal for quick washes, daily wear, and delicate fabrics that require gentle care. This mini washing machine emphasizes convenience and user-friendly operation, featuring simple controls that allow users to start and manage wash cycles without complication. Its compact body makes it easy to place in bathrooms, kitchens, dorm rooms, or even travel setups, while still maintaining the durability and build quality associated with Daewoo appliances. Number 2. The hOmeLabs Portable Mini Washing Machine is a compact and efficient laundry appliance designed to bring full washing convenience into small living spaces without compromising performance. It features a durable motor system that delivers steady agitation, ensuring clothes are cleaned thoroughly while remaining gentle on fabrics. Ideal for apartments, dormitories, RVs, and travel use, it handles small to medium laundry loads with ease, making it a practical choice for everyday quick washes and delicate garments that need extra care. This portable washing machine is built with user convenience in mind, offering simple controls that make operation straightforward even for first-time users. Its lightweight and space-saving design allows it to be placed in tight areas such as bathrooms or utility corners, while still maintaining the strength needed for consistent washing results. Number 1. The Morus Zero is a next-generation mini washing machine designed with advanced vacuum drying technology that sets it apart from traditional compact laundry devices. Built for modern, space-limited lifestyles, it combines washing and rapid drying functions in a sleek, futuristic design that delivers impressive performance despite its small footprint. It is especially suited for delicate fabrics, undergarments, baby clothes, and quick refresh laundry needs, where hygiene and speed are equally important. What makes the Morus Zero unique is its vacuum drying system, which significantly reduces moisture in clothes within a very short time compared to conventional spin dryers. This helps garments come out almost ready to wear, minimizing waiting time and eliminating the need for long air-drying cycles. The washing process itself is gentle yet effective, using optimized drum movement to ensure thorough cleaning while protecting fabric texture and quality.